In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make over $5,000 every week by simply copying and pasting TikTok videos. This strategy that I'll be showing you today will take you only 5 minutes every day, and you can use this to make a lot of money for yourself, even as a beginner to making money online. With that being said, let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a niche. In the process of copying and pasting TikTok videos to make over $5,000 every single week online, the first thing that you actually want to do is pick a niche and pick a product. Now, this is going to make sense in a second, but just keep following me as I explain exactly what this is. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be picking this product right here called Kickstar. Kickstar is basically an Instagram growth software, so I'm going to be promoting a product in the Instagram growth niche. There are many other Instagram growth softwares that you can pick in the Instagram growth niche, but Kickstar is one that I really like. There are many others like Flux Social, Nitro, and millions of others, but like I said, Kickstar is the one that I really love and I'm going to be using in this video. Now, once you've picked a niche, which, like I said, is the Instagram growth niche, and you pick a product in that niche, which is Kickstar, the next thing you want to do is go over and actually sign up for the affiliate program of the product that you picked. To sign up for Kickstar's affiliate program, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the affiliate button. Then, click on Sign Up Now to complete the sign-up process. Kickstar accepts almost everybody worldwide, so you should have no problem getting accepted into this affiliate program. However, if for any reason you're not accepted, there are many other Instagram growth softwares whose affiliate programs you can also sign up for. The process to sign up for the affiliate program is similar for all Instagram growth softwares. You'll just need to click on Sign Up Now and follow the steps. Once you're accepted into the affiliate program, you'll receive your affiliate link, which will look something like this. That's the link that we're going to be promoting, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this very easily by just copying and pasting TikTok videos and how you're going to monetize those videos in a second. Now, I've shown you how to pick a niche, how to pick a product, and how to sign up as an affiliate for that product. Let's move on to TikTok and find videos that we can basically copy and paste and monetize. Here on TikTok.com, what we want to do is come over to the TikTok search bar and type in the niche that we picked our product in. For the purpose of this video, our niche is Instagram growth, so I'm going to type in something related to how to grow on Instagram or Instagram growth tactics. As you can see, all these videos are talking about how to grow on Instagram. You want to look for videos that are pulling in a lot of views and engagement. For example, this video titled 2023 Instagram Growth Strategy has over 700,000 views, which shows it's very popular. This is the kind of video we want to use. Click on the video and copy its link from the top. Next, go to a website like Snaptik and paste the link to download the video. Now that we have our video, let's move on to the next step, which is how we are going to monetize this video and make money off of it. If you want to follow along using your phone, you can download TikTok videos directly to your phone by long pressing the video. We want to come over to a platform called Instagram.com, and I'm pretty sure that everybody watching this video is at least, to some extent, familiar with Instagram. Now, once you're on Instagram.com, you want to go over to where it says Edit Profile. And you want to put right here where it says Website, you want to put the affiliate link that you got once you signed up to the affiliate program. Now, you can only put in your affiliate link or any link to your Instagram bio on your phone. So, I advise that you do that on your phone because it's not going to work on your laptop, as you can see right here. So once you put in your affiliate link right here where it says Website, I'm going to move over now and I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize that video that we just downloaded of TikTok and how to actually paste that video and start making money with it. Now, once you're on Instagram, right now, what you basically want to do is that you now want to go ahead and upload that video that you downloaded from TikTok onto your Instagram account. And you can decide to create a new Instagram account for this strategy, or you can decide to use any one that you currently have. Any one of them is going to work just fine. So, like I said, you basically want to upload that video that you downloaded on TikTok, and you want to upload it to your Instagram account. And in the caption of that video, or in the caption of that post, you want to say one of two things. The first thing you want to say is that you want to give credit to the creator of the video, the original creator of the video, which is this guy right here called Brock Wonder. So, in the caption, you're going to say something like, "This video was originally created by Brock W." You can follow him at Brock W on TikTok. And once you've actually said that, the second thing that you want to say in your video caption is that you want to say, if you want to find out more about Instagram growth, then be sure to check out the link in my bio. Now, that second call to action is very important because that's just going to ensure that people, after watching that video, they are going to go over to your Instagram bio and click that link, which is going to be your affiliate link to Kickstarter. And once they actually click that link and they buy this Instagram growth product or this Instagram growth software through that link, you're going to be making money. As you can see right here, 30% recurring commissions on every single sign up. Just to further give you an element of proof that this actually works, this is exactly what I used to do back in 2022. And this is all the commissions that you can see that I made just from copying and pasting TikTok videos and re-uploading them to Instagram and getting people to actually buy the products that are related to the videos through my affiliate link. And as you can see right here, these are all the commissions that I made on the Kickstarter affiliate program alone. Now, I did this on multiple different Instagram accounts and on multiple different products, and it is literally one of the easiest ways to monetize TikTok videos because, first off, you're not creating any videos. You're literally just copying and pasting them onto your Instagram account. And then you're telling people to actually buy products through your affiliate link, which is going to earn you commissions like this. So, if you've never made any money online before or you've never made any money with affiliate marketing, this is a strategy that is going to 100% work for you. And let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you want me to make a more detailed step-by-step breakdown of this, I'll be very, very glad to do that. Now, that's basically how you can copy and paste TikTok videos from TikTok to Instagram and actually monetize it and make money for yourself. And I've shown you basically that this works with proof. So let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Now, if you want to watch more of my really powerful affiliate marketing content, then be sure to click this next video showing on your screen right here, and I'll see you guys on that side.